Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop Opera starting when you switch on your laptop or computer. Okay, as you can see here right now, when my laptop switch on, automatically Opera started without my knowledge. I never asked Opera to start when my laptop start. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Vamos, let go. Okay, so you need to go to the setting of Opera. Okay, there's two ways to go to setting. The first method is to click here on the right corner. As you can see here, they say easy setup. Click here. You scroll down until you found go to full browser setting. Okay, this is the first way to go to the setting of Opera, sorry. The second method, this is the fastest way. When you open the browser, you got setting on your left here. Is the left bar, you click setting. But in case you don't have it, in case you don't have this bar, you use this method I just showed you. If you do have it, you click setting. From here, scroll down slowly, keep going. Okay, so from here, you can see run when my computer start. As you can see, it's activate. When it's like this, every time your laptop or computer come on, it's gonna start automatically. So I'm going to switch this off. So from now, when your laptop or computer start, it's not going to open Opera until you click on the browser icon yourself. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.